Hello everyone, welcome to another GIS tutorial. In this video I want to talk about downloading georeferenced Google Earth image. I will introduce you a software to download the satellite image. Select satellite image and go to download download map. In this window select satellite image and the maximum resolution 18. If you have coordinate system, and you can add here. If you don't have coordinate system, you can select this one and click here, and now select the area. Like this, and OK, and now click download. And then select here and save. Yeah, you can save. Select a folder, write the name, and save. And now close this window. And now I want to add downloaded file to our GIS. Add, select this file, add. Yes, it is a georeferenced satellite image that I was downloaded. Thank you so much for watching.